Hello everybody. This is Hao from University of Hawaii, and here I'm going to introduce you to a project that I did for data visualization class in ICS department of 2014 spring. And you will have, if you go visit this website, you will have a basic review of what we did and what you can do about this project. And this is generally a description and the requirement page for this project from the professors from UIC, and it's kind of a collaboration um, um, project between UIC and University of Hawaii. We have two professors and 20 people group, and this one is the third project that's done by our team. This project is called We Are Family, and we mainly have two sections of application. The first one is called characters, and the second one is called co-occurrence. And there are other sections such as other information, interesting finding, instructions, and you can find the links to where you can download the code yourself and view the data yourself. Go to the GitHub link in the other information and data source, and here's a project progress recording, and interesting findings are also here. Also, you have some instructions over here of this section, and you can um, basically have an overview before um, utilizing this application. Let's go to the main application. It's called characters, and in this heat map, we visualize two groups. One is on the row. In the row, there are all the characters. This one is listed in the order of importance, how many episodes they have appeared in the whole series, and on the column there are a bunch of seasons from the first to the end, the 25th, and the more they appear in this season, the more red the color block is. And when you hover on any color block, such as this one, Bart Simpson, you can see a name card of it. You can see a Bart picture and appearance rate. Appearance rate 100 means they have Bart Simpson has appeared in all the episodes in season 8. And hover on any other people, you will know how much they appear. And generally, you get a sense that which person is the most important one, which person appeared in the previous seasons but disappears in the later seasons. And you can have a legend here indicating you with the percentage of appearance rate and according to the color of the block. And once you get an overview, you can dive into each season. For example, we click season 12, and you can have the same group of people here, but we will have a grid saying if this person appears in this episode, then it will be red. If it's not, it will be empty. And you have an overview with which person appears in each episode. And when you hover, you have the episode name, also the person's name. So when you click on this special color block, you get two name cards. The first one is the name card of the characters, and the second one is the name card of the episode. You have the very general information about the episode and also information about the characters. And if you click on any of the voice by, and you can get a list of characters that's voiced by the same actor, and you will have a list all of them, and you can compare which appears first, which appears later, which is more important, which is not that important. So whenever you are in a detailed view like season 15, you want to go back, just click this home button. And besides this, we have a selector and also a cloud tag for you. The cloud tag is a bunch of tags that we have preset some groups of people there just for your reference. If you're not familiar with Simpsons, for example, this Simpsons family will return you all the people that's named Simpsons. So you can see here everything related to Simpson is listed here. The 5 most important characters is Abraham, Margie, Bart, Homer, Lisa, and their appearance right here. And also, if you have some more interesting characters, such as let's say Barney. Barney. Okay, you can click on that Barney, and then it will be updated. Barney will show here in their relative position here. And besides this, you can also go to the co-occurrence map. The co-occurrence map shows you uh, the list of the same group of characters, but how many episodes they have appeared together among all those episodes. The co-occurrence rate of 50% means they have appeared together at 50% of all the episodes in all the series, and you will have a sense of who with whom have the strongest bond among all the characters. And based on this one, you can see Margie, Barney, and Bart and Abraham. They have the strongest bond. They appear together more, and Mona um, have more bond with Bart Simpson. Maybe it's a good, it's a bad relationship, either way. And I think that's it. That's generally our visualization for Simpsons family. And thanks for your attention. And before going away, there's another feature about locations. For example, if you were interested in this episode called the Regina Mongoose, we have a view of all the locations in this episode. You can click next, next, and next to view all the locations in this episode. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you very much again. If you have any information that you don't know or you want to know or you want to share, please contact us. Thanks.